We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the Emotional Support Chicken Nuggets by Relatable, a unique set of squishy plush toys designed to provide comfort and fun. This product includes 5 individual plush nuggets housed in a cozy carrying basket, each with its own personality and expression. The concept behind these nuggets is both humorous and heartwarming, offering a playful take on emotional support items that appeal to a wide audience from young children to adults. The Emotional Support Chicken Nuggets are crafted with soft, well-stitched materials that make them both durable and pleasant to touch. Users have noted that while each nugget is about palm-sized, making them not ideal for traditional snuggling, they still serve as delightful companions for comfort and play. One notable example comes from a family where a 6-year-old selected this set for her 10-year-old brother, who is a pizza lover. He arranged the nuggets like a full pizza on his pillow and found comfort in their presence, demonstrating the product's ability to blend humor with genuine emotional support. The design is clever and charming, with each nugget sporting a unique character and expression that adds to the collectible appeal. The carrying basket keeps the pieces together but allows for easy detachment, which users appreciate for both display and playful interaction. Some reviewers mentioned cutting the small string attachments to freely toss the nuggets around without worry, highlighting their soft construction that ensures safe, fun use. Gift givers have found these nuggets to be excellent presents for a variety of occasions, including Valentine's Day, birthdays, or just as a fun surprise. The set's quirky nature and the emotional support angle make it a memorable and thoughtful gift that stands out from typical plush toys. The size and quality exceed expectations for many buyers, with the nuggets being larger and more substantial than anticipated, adding to their value. Parents and children alike praise the product for its softness and quality. The nuggets are made from materials that are gentle and safe for all ages, starting from newborns upward, making them versatile as sensory toys, fidget items, or just cute companions. The product's popularity is reflected in its high customer rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from over 4,600 reviews, indicating widespread satisfaction. The Emotional Support Chicken Nuggets are part of a broader line of related plushies from Relatable, including emotional support fries, mushrooms, pizza slices, and other food-themed characters. This collection encourages users to mix and match, creating a playful and comforting environment that appeals especially to Gen Z and millennial audiences who enjoy quirky, shareable items. In terms of usability, the nuggets are easy to carry, making them suitable for on-the-go comfort or home use. Their compact size and light weight mean they can be taken to school, work, or travel, providing emotional support wherever needed. The basket container also serves as a neat storage solution, keeping the nuggets organized and ready for display or play. Some minor drawbacks include the need to cut the attachments if you want to separate the nuggets completely, which might not appeal to all users who prefer to keep the set intact. Additionally, while the nuggets are soft and fun, their small size may limit their use as traditional cuddle toys for those seeking larger plush companions. Overall, the Emotional Support Chicken Nuggets stand out as a fun, unique, and surprisingly comforting product. They combine humor, quality, and emotional appeal in a way that resonates with a broad range of users. Whether you are buying for a child, a friend, or yourself, this set offers a quirky but meaningful way to brighten someone's day. We encourage anyone who owns these nuggets to leave a review in the comments to help others discover the joy these plushies bring. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support this channel. This product is a perfect example of how playful design and emotional comfort can intersect to create something truly special and memorable.